So, excuse my curly hair today. It was raining a lot, and I know customers are usually used to seeing me with straight hair, but voila, my hair is naturally curly. And that's what I get for running in the rain. One of the big aspects of an emotional support animal is that the emotional support animal is comfortable being next to a human, touching their skin, having the human touch them. As you can see, the Indian ringneck, actually Indian ringnecks naturally like to stray away from petting and touching. But as you can see, even though the ringneck and anyone who has raised Indian ringnecks can tell you that. Indian ringnecks are probably one of the more tough species to raise in regard to making sure that they are tame and that they truly do trust humans. So this baby I'm particularly proud of, just because this baby came to me very nervous, very jumpy, and as you can see, the baby is now very docile, very tame. Baby feels natural while it's on me, while I offer the baby food. And these are all things that are necessary in regard to training these babies to be an emotional support animal. Actually, she's been rewarded for letting me pet her with the cucumber, and as she gets older and before she gets to her new home, this is going to teach her that petting is a reward, and that is just one of the tactics we use here at Royal Parrots, and that is my son. So I will let you get started.